In this video, I'll show you how to connect HDMI devices in your Yamaha AV Receiver. It could be a Fire Stick like the one I have in my hand, or if you have PlayStation or any other gaming consoles, it's the same exact process. So let's get started. First, make sure that your TV is connected to your Yamaha receiver. It should be over here under HDMI out. Take the other end of this cable and plug it in the back of your TV. If you want your TV to control your receiver, you should plug it in the HDMI port where it says ARC. In my case, it's HDMI 2. On the back of your receiver, you should have 4 or even more HDMI ports with a number, 1 through 4, or again, whatever. This is where you plug every external devices. Take the device you want to plug. Again, in my case, this is an Amazon Fire Stick. And you're going to plug it in one of these HDMI ports. It doesn't matter if you don't plug it in order. You can start with the number 4 if you want, or the number 2. I prefer doing it in order, so I'll plug it in number 1. But again, it's not obligatory. Once you connected it, make sure it doesn't move around. And you can plug the other ones if you have more than one device right now in the other port. Take your television remote control and you'll need to select HDMI 2 or whatever HDMI port you have plugged the receiver in. Okay, so in my case, I have renamed HDMI 2 receiver, so it's easier for me to find. I'll just press OK, and well, obviously this is what you see. It was already selected. We can see the device that I've plugged here, the Fire Stick. It's now showing up on the TV with sound. To switch between the different HDMI devices you have connected, you need to use the input buttons on the remote control or the receiver to switch between them. So in my case, I need to go on HDMI 1. And as you see there, by selecting HDMI 1, I can see Amazon Fire TV automatically. If you have connected an HDMI 2 a PlayStation, then just press the input button until you see HDMI 2 and it should appear there. I hope this video was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, and also subscribe. See you.